Good morning, guys. Welcome to my channel again. Oh, this is the day after the snowstorm last night, and I'm on my way home from work, working 11 to 7. And so far, there's nobody here, and it's only 8 o'clock in the morning. And yep, there's no car here yet. There's one over there coming up, but that's it. Not bad, not bad at all. It's really quiet Thursday morning over here right now, and I don't know where's everybody is. Probably they're still sleeping. Here's one car. For now, only one car. Okay. Okay, more car coming. There's more. Wow, it's very nice and clean. They must be somebody must be working here very early this morning. A lot of snow here. Clean road. Here's one car. There's two cars. There's three cars. It's getting busy now. There's one right here. Oh, Lordy. God, I hate this. I hate the snow. This is the University of Scranton, and I guess no school today. I don't see anybody here. Very quiet. There's somebody shoveling a snow there. Look at all these cars on the side of the street. Turkey Hill gas station. So I'm here. Hello, is that police? I don't know. What's that car? It's a police car. Yep. Look at this. Lovebirds. Wow, it's really quiet here, guys. I don't see one car. Even if you go look at this way, Harrison Avenue side, because I'm in Mulberry Street right now. There is nobody. There's one car coming up, and that's it. Everybody must be still sleeping. Must be nice. Working night sucks. You know? Really sucks. Well, I'm heading up to my house. I live up in the hill section up here in Harrison Avenue, and so far the road is not bad. Nice and clean. There we go. There's one car. On the way down. Yep. I'm a nice person, so you go ahead. And I'm turning in. This is my house over here. And here comes my so I guess I have to turn this way. Oop. Gotta back up, guys. Lordy. Well, there you go. I just got home, safe and sound. Here's all the Christmas tree. How pretty it is. I love the snow in a Christmas tree. Okie dokie. Alright. Thank you guys. I will see you later. Here comes my neighbor. Look at all the cars. What a quiet morning in the neighborhood. Alright, bye.